Good morning, children. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sir Leap, your online teacher. For today's video, I will discuss about estimating sum, estimating difference, multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000, estimating product, dividing by 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000, and estimating quotient. To estimate the sum, round off each addends to its greatest place value, then add. To estimate the difference, round off its minuends and subtrahends to its greatest value, then subtract. Example, 3,456 plus 4,524, round off 3,456 to 3,000 and 4,524 to 5,000. Then 3,000 plus 5,000 equals 8,000. 3,815 plus 2,375. Round off 3,815 to the greatest place value. 3,815 becomes 4,000 and 2,375 becomes 2,000. So 4,000 plus 2,000 equals 6,000. 8,964 minus 6,124. Round off again to the greatest place value. 8,964 becomes 9,000. Because the number on the right side is 9. So round up, 8 plus 1 equals 9. 6,124 becomes 6,000. Round down as is the given. Then subtract 9,000 minus 6,000 equals 3,000. Another example, 9,964 minus 3,764. Round off, 9,964 becomes 10,000 and 3,764 becomes 4,000. Then subtract 10,000 minus 4,000. Therefore, the estimated difference is 6,000. Multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. To find the product of any number and 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000, count the number of zeros in the factors and affix them after the non-zero product. Example, 40 times 10. Count the zero. We have here 2 zeros. Then multiply 4 times 1 equals 4. Then affix 2 zeros. Thus, the product is 400. 40 times 500. Count all the zeros. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 zeros. Multiply 4 times 5 equals 20. Now the product is 20,000. 60 times 4,000. Write 4 zeros and multiply 6 times 4 equals 24. Thus, the product is 240,000. 700 times 10,000. Write 6 zeros, then 7 times 1 equals 7. Thus, the answer is 7 million. 45,000 times 100 equals 5 zeros, then multiply 45 times 1 equals 45. Therefore, the product is 4,500,000. 78,000 times 1,000 equals 78 million. Just count the number of zeros. 65,000 times 300. Count all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zeros. Then 3 times 5 equals 15, carry 1. 3 times 6 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. Thus, the product is 19,500,000. 5,600 times 900. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. we have 4 zeros. Then multiply 9 times 6 equals 54, carry 5. 9 times 5 equals 45 plus 5 equals 50. Thus, the product is 5,040,000. 7,800 times 700. So we have here 4 zeros. 7 times 8 equals 56, carry 5. 7 times 7 equals 49, plus 5 equals 54. Thus, the product of 7,800 times 700 is equal to 5,460,000. Proceed to estimating product. To estimate products, round off each factor to the highest place value, then multiply. Apply your knowledge in multiplying a number by multiples of 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000. Estimating is the process of getting the nearest possible value of the given number through the rules of rounding of numbers. Example, 8,324 times 4,567. Round off 8,324 becomes 8,000 times the round off of 4,567, which is 5,000. So 8,000 times 5,000 equals 40 million. 6,457 times 2,673. 6,457 becomes 6,000 times 2,673, round off to 3,000. Estimated product is 18 million. 5,324 times 8,567, round off again. 5,324 becomes 5,000. 8,567 becomes 9,000. So 9,000 times 5,000 equals 45 million. 8,457 times 673. So 8,457 equals 8,000. Then 673 becomes 700. So count the zeros. We have 5 zeros. So 8 times 7 equals 56. Thus, the product is 5,600,000 or 5,600,000. Dividing by 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000 and estimated quotient. In dividing a number by a multiples of 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000, cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor, then divide the remaining non-zero digit. Example, 64,000 divided by 80. Cancel 0 in the dividend. We have 1 0 and cancel 1 0 in the divisor. Then 64 by 8, which is, then divide 64 by 8, which is 8. Then copy the two remaining zeros, thus the quotient is 800. 2,500 divided by 500. Cancel again the 0, 2 zeros in the divisor, so cancel also 2 zeros in the dividend. Then divide 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Remember that the number of zeros you cancel in the divisor is also the number of zeros you need to cancel in the dividend. Another example, 35,100 divided by 300. Cancel the zeros, then divide 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 1. So divide 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Thus, the quotient is 117. 6,000 divided by 10. Cancel 0 in the divisor, which is 1. So cancel 1 0 also in the dividend. 6 divided by 1 equals 6. and copy the remaining 2 zeros. Thus, the quotient of 6,000 divided by 10 equals 600. 86,000 divided by 100. Cancel the zeros. 86 divided by 1 equals 86. Then copy remaining 1 zero. The quotient is 860. 45,000 divided by 1,000. Cancel 3 zeros, both dividend and divisor. So, then divide the remaining number. 45 divided by 1 equals 45. When estimating quotient, simply round off the dividend and the divisor to the highest place value, then proceed to division. 453 divided by 13 equals 453 becomes 500 and 13 becomes 10. Then cancel 0. 500 divided by 10 becomes 50 divided by 1. So 50 divided by 1 equals 50. 923,219 divided by 873. 923,219 becomes 900,000 and 873 becomes 900. Cancel the zeros, so we have 2 zeros in the divisor. Cancel it, also 2 zeros in the dividend. So 9,000 divided by 9 equals 1,000. 435 divided by 54 equals 435 becomes 400 and 54 to 50. Cancel the 0 again. 400 divided by 50 becomes 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 87,568 divided by 953. 87,568 round off to 90,000 and 953 round off to 1,000. Cancel 3 zeros. Thus, the estimated quotient of 87,563 divided by 953 is equal to 90. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the updated videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.